Hey guys, if you guys want to know to make a paper boat, I'll teach you guys right now. So all you need is an index card. I'm going to be doing this with an index card. See, it could be used with any. You could have lines or all blank or whatever. So now I have it like that. So yeah, I mean, like, without no further ado, go right into the video. So first, you're going to need that like this, right? Have this. Hold on, guys. Alright, you have this like this, and then you're going to fold it in half. That's like this. Going to fold it in half just like that, right? And then in here, this corner, so you make sure it's not be open, and it's like this. You fold it like if it was a paper airplane. Fold it like that, front of the airplane part. Try to get it as even as you can. So you want it the best as even. The most even as you can. And yeah, so then it should look like this. Just like that. Right? Right like that, and then the flap is like this. So I'll spin a little bit. Alright, you guys should be done by now. Hopefully. I'm gonna just go on. Now you see this part? You're going to turn it over. Then when you turn it over like that, you have this. All you want to do, you just want to get that corner, that flap. You want to turn it just like that. Going to grab from here, going to turn it just like that. Then you do it for the same for this side. So you're going to turn it around, so it's like that. You're going to bring it up to the half line, then you're going to turn it. It flaps like that. So to get it, that fold it up just like this. Right? And then this part gets tricky as to right here. So you have it like this, and from the bottom part, you're going to open it. You're going to just fold it like that. Make it like this little like square shape thing. So then you should have it like that. I'll repeat it again. It should be like this. And then you should just have folded it. So it's like that. Then you're going to fold this corner all the way down to this corner. So from here to here. And fold it down to there. That's about right. And just crease it. Flip it over. That corner. Bring it down to there. Then you have it like that, right? Then, like how you did before, you're going to get it, you're going to open it, and you're going to push down. Then you have it like that, right? Then you take these parts, you just gently pull it. And there you go, paper boat. See? All the boat, the sides and stuff. And so if you guys like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below if you guys want me to do more origami's, if you guys want me to do like a 3 a.m. challenge, or a reaction video, a hide and seek video, a fighting video with my siblings, you know. Anything, just leave a comment down below. And peace.